easy ways to pay bills directly with crypto. That's what we're talking about today. I'm not a financial advisor. Note this disclaimer. I do this for education purposes only. Let's get straight in. So guys, crypto and DeFi have opened up a lot of doors for new earning opportunities. Things like yield farming, earning on-chain through investing to play to earn gains, and Web3 industry work. Now, we're talking about Spritz. Spritz.finance, okay, where you can actually come on here and see one of the greatest in the industry. Now, one of the problems with cryptocurrency, though, is difficult to off-ramp your crypto into a bank account. In order to pay your bills in the past, you would have to send your crypto to a centralized exchange, then off-ramp crypto to an account using cashing it out to fiat currency, things like that. Now, the process is time consuming, guys. This is what we are trying to fix here, using Spritz to pay IRL bills and transfer money to a bank account directly from your wallet. This tool actually makes it easier than ever to actually use your crypto in the real world. And here is how to pay your bills with crypto, right? Using this tool. So guys, adding your bills. Once you've completed your account verification, follow the next steps in your Spritz app to begin connecting your bills. Choose the type of bill you'd like to add, and then either follow the prompt to have our system find your bills for you, or search for the name of the billing provider and then add your account number to link, okay? Now, if you can't find your account, double check the information you provide is correct. But things like co-branded credit cards, try to name the credit card provider like American Express, MasterCard, Visa, instead of the company that credit card is set up with, like IKEA or Costco. Now, let's talk about connecting your wallet. So this is also where you'll connect your wallet. So make sure you're using your browser that has your wallet connected, and you can connect any major crypto wallet such as MetaMask, Coinbase, or anything like that, and fund your bill payments. This is what it will look like. If you don't see a wallet provider such as MetaMask will connect on your mobile, you can use the Wallet Connect to easily connect it that way, or any Web3 wallet used via its QR code. Now, Spritz will never ask you for private key information, so please make note of that. And finally, on paying a bill, setting up a bill payment with Spritz only takes a couple of seconds. When you're ready to pay it, click on the bill section of your account dashboard, scroll through the bills you've connected to your account, and click on Pay with Crypto, okay? It looks like this, super easy. Next, choose the blockchain you want to use for the transaction, okay? Currently, you can pick from Ethereum, BNB Chain, Avalanche, Optimism, Aptos, and Polygon networks. Once you're on your chosen network, choose the asset you'd like to pay with and enter the amount in USD. It actually supports with any token on those networks, including native tokens like ETH, Matic, AVAX, Optimized ETH, BNB, and lots of other popular altcoins and stablecoins, including USDC and USDT. This is exactly what it looks like in this little trailer here, guys. That's all from me, guys. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell as well. And please comment down below if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.